Hello everybody, it's Naomi and this is week 3 of classic steps in solo jazz. We went over with a fine-tooth comb some things we covered before. So briefly, we did Susie Q's. We did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Things we were really working on is keeping our weight kind of in between so we weren't too far forward or too far back so we could still move our toe but not have our toe up while we did it. We didn't cross over, it wasn't a big hip thing, it's more in the knees. And we also did what we did on Apple Jacks as well. We took a plain step on 7 to get us ready to kick again. We weren't here and then tried to kick to the other side. So watch from the back, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 1, 3, 5, plain step, 8 to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, etc. Then we did Apple Jacks, 8 to 1, 3, 5, 7. Remember to bend forward. We have one leg straight, one leg bent the whole time. 1, 3, 5, 7. If you can't do the hands, just set them and forget them. One thing we went over as well was the full break or TOBA break. We said it while we did it. It went 5, 6, 7, You can also take 2 steps at the end as well. I'm going to show it this way, and remember, we're going to get all the way over that first step. You tap the first step so that you're able to tap that next one. I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, Remember, lean forward so you're not doing this very appropriate St. Patrick's Day Irish jig. That's not what we're doing today. Okay. New things that we worked on were fishtails. 1, 3, 5, 7 in a very pure and simple form. Remember, we're just taking a step back on 1 and we're sort of diagonally walking back. We go down to up to get this little swerve, and then we let our arms trail behind. And even though it looks like we're really wide, our hips go past our legs, so don't take a step too wide, we won't be able to make it. And then we did half breaks, way easier than the full break. They go 5, 6, 7, run, run, up and down, run, run, up and down. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. That's 2 in a row. 2 for the price of 1. Last thing we did was camel walks, which again is not a basic step or an easy step, but it is a classic step. So this was a little more homework. You don't have to be a master of this to be in solo jazz class, but you do have to know it exists, and we're going to try for a different vibe with this one. It goes a little slower, and it's a little smoother. Remember, we're taking 3 steps this way, 3 steps that way. Eventually, we'll take out the pause between them. But when we take them, we always have one leg straight and one leg bent. When you're stepping on is a straight one. I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. When you think about it, 5, 6, 7, eventually we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you'll just walk off into the sunset. So one more time so you can practice at home, because this was a little more homework. I'm okay with you sliding your feet on this one. You gotta lean over so that your straight leg has your weight on it. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go straight, 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 think about it, and left, right, left. You can chew on that till next week when I'll see you then.